Hi, Robert. Oh, what a good boy Robert is.
Hey, what's that over there? What's that over there?
Look, is there nippers?
Is there a nipple over there? What could that be? What could that be?
Oh, him likes him's back scratched. I hear him purring.
He likes just about everything.
Robert, can you walk around a little for us? Because you're on the camera. Thank you. Show everybody your beautiful yellow eyes. Robert.
Oh, it's a good boy.
Good boy. Oh, you're our big orange boy.
Yes, you are a big orange boy.
Robert. Robert.
That's a good boy. It's a good boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.